how to listen to Spotify with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can listen to Spotify songs with friends. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to listen to Spotify songs with your friends, it's actually very simple to do so. Launch a Spotify app. Once you launch a Spotify app, be it on your mobile or iOS, iPhone, Android or your desktop, you have to just click the profile icon from the top right and then just go to settings. When you go to settings, first of all, I want you to simply navigate to the socials tab and make sure to connect your Facebook account. So you'll find the connect with Facebook button here. Make sure to click on the connect with Facebook option. It will give you a little pop-up. Enter your email and password and log into your Facebook account, and make sure you connect your Facebook account first. After you've done that, right here you'll be able to see this friend activity. When you click on friend activity, you'll be able to see all of the friends that are currently active. If you want to listen a song with your friends, all you have to do is simply go ahead and play that song here. Once you play that song over here, you're going to be able to see all this, and over here you'll be able to see this option called queue, connected device, and so on. All you have to do is click on the listen with friends option, and the song is also going to get played along with your friends, and you'll be able to go ahead and then share with them accordingly. This way you'll be able to listen to Spotify with your friends. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.